Parol means the most common form of holiday decoration in the Philippines is the parol, which may be found among the Christmas trees and many images of Santa Claus. It is simply a star or a shape that resembles a star, and it can be as small as something you might hold in your hand or as large as something that could be paraded through the streets. Due of the length of time required to put them together, these enormous ones are frequently produced at various times throughout the year. Parol are typically very brightly colored, have elaborate designs made of glass, metal, plastic, paper, and other materials, and are illuminated in some way. Parol can be found in a variety of countries. The term parol originates from the Spanish word farol, which means lantern. Parol is derived from this last aspect. The parol is said to represent the star that above Bethlehem. San Fernando is widely regarded as one of the most important cities for the drug parol. Since the 1700s, this location has been the site of processions carrying lanterns in honor of Our Lady of La Naval, also known as the Virgin Mary. In other places, they were once used to illuminate the path leading to Simbang Gabi by being hung from windows. Even in modern times, they continue to serve as a major symbol of the Christmas season. In addition, the parol are exceedingly detailed, which is a significant departure from the rice paper and bamboo parol of days gone by.